been training shoulders for months, maybe even years, and they still look exactly the same. You're not lazy, you're not skipping workouts, but there is one mistake, and almost every guy makes it, that is completely shutting down your shoulder growth. And the worst part, you're probably doing it right now without even knowing it. The mistake. Here is the mistake. When you train shoulders, lateral raises, overhead press, anything, you are using your traps instead of your actual shoulder muscles. Watch any guy doing lateral raises in the gym. His shoulders are shrugging up toward his ears. His arms are swinging. His traps are doing all the work. And his shoulders? They're just along for the ride. This happens because your traps are stronger and more dominant. They take over the second your form breaks down. So you feel like you worked your shoulders, you're even sore the next day, but the muscle you actually trained was your traps. Not your side delts, not your front delts, your traps. That's why your shoulders stay flat no matter how hard you train. Why this happens? Your shoulder is made of 3 heads: front delt, side delt, rear delt. The one that makes your shoulders look wide and powerful is the side delt. That's the muscle most people are trying to build. But the side delt is actually one of the hardest muscles to isolate. Because the moment you lose connection, the moment your mind drifts, your traps jump in and take over. There's a second reason this happens. Most people lift too heavy on shoulder exercises. They load up the weight, they swing their arms up, and gravity does most of the work on the way down. The shoulder never actually contracts, never actually works. You just move the weight. You didn't train the muscle. The fix. Here is exactly how to fix it. 3 things. Number 1, drop the weight. I mean really drop it. Go lighter than you think you need. If you're doing lateral raises with 15 pounds, go to 8. This forces your shoulders to actually do the work instead of your traps compensating. Ego is why your shoulders aren't growing. Drop the ego, drop the weight. Number 2, lead with your elbow, not your hand. Most people lift by raising their hands. Instead, think about driving your elbow up toward the ceiling. That one mental shift changes everything. It takes the traps out of the movement and puts your side delt directly under tension. Try it right now with no weight. Feel the difference. Number 3, slow down the lowering phase. The way down is where most of your muscle growth actually happens. Take 3 full seconds to lower the weight back down. Feel your shoulder fighting gravity the whole way. That controlled tension is what actually builds the muscle. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. Lightweight, elbow leads. Do that for 4 weeks and your shoulders will change more than they have in the last year. Most guys never fix this because nobody tells them what the real problem is. They just keep training harder, lifting heavier, getting nowhere. Now you know. The mistake isn't your workout. The mistake is your traps stealing the work that was meant for your shoulders. Fix your form before you fix your program. Fix your connection before you add more weight. And stop training hard in the wrong direction. If this helped you, subscribe, because every video on this channel is built to fix the exact mistakes keeping you stuck.